Maneuvering through the dry brush, we follow the narrow footpaths that lead us over to one of the strangest outcrops in the region, the Chincana Grande, the Grand Labyrinth. Named as such due to the legends that this bizarre monument of stone is in fact guarding an entrance into the fabled labyrinth beneath Sacsayhuaman. This bedrock protrusion is absolutely covered in bizarre and incredibly precise cuts. As we scan across the stone anomaly, we see the evidence of precision stairs and niches and trapezoid windows, platforms, and yet counterintuitive to any typical form of quarrying, we see an alarming lack of tool marks. Instead, we simply have extremely precise voids where stone has been taken with incredible accuracy and purpose. This is by no means a typical quarry, and by no means were typical Bronze Age tools deployed in the crafting and removing of stone on the Chincana Grande.
If you wanted a seriously weird example of precise stone cutting in a completely counterintuitive and strange place, here it is.
As we move around the perimeter of the outcrop, we notice something quite remarkable. A colossal block of stone lies on its side at the base of the Chincana, with these strange stepped cuts running down it. And as we observe the Chincana Grande itself, we see the clear imprint of where this gigantic piece of rock once belonged. The clear marking of stair-like indentations, this huge piece of the Chincana Grande was blown clean off, perhaps by Spanish raiders, perhaps through geological trauma in the region many thousands of years prior. The answers are uncertain, but what is certain is that the Chincana Grande, regardless of whether it guards the entrance into a labyrinth, is in of itself an outright anomaly. The strange cuts that encompass this bedrock outcrop do not stop on its sides, but continue all the way to the top of this enigmatic shrine. A timeless tribute to a now forgotten group of stone masters. The crown of Chincana Grande continues the tradition of bizarrely precise 90-degree cuts and grooves into the stone, in formations and styles that are not comparable to standard quarrying techniques, and instead invoke a different purpose altogether, one that we still do not understand. The fact that this outcrop also boasts a fabled entrance into the same labyrinth that the Chincana project is beginning to uncover at the main site of Sacsayhuaman makes the Chincana Grande all the more mysterious in its presence and its implications. Why the cuts and niches, and how did a Bronze Age culture achieve this level of precision?
Super clear. Would need to be clean, but that part.
You saying there's glyphs here?
Looks like glyphs. water. and
Oh,
you can really
okay.
see.
Yeah, I see them now. In the crystal. Could just be a shape.
Yeah, there's a lot of right angles and parallel lines. to them.
Yeah, I see them now coming out a bit more clearly. It does almost look a little bit like etched in writing, actually. Yeah. Weird. It almost looks like it says J.E.
J.
Yeah, the first bit here.
Oh, you carve your name.
J.E. G. Yeah, that's weird because it's actually a crystal vein.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So that could
So that would mean it was carved a long time ago, and
Right.
the calcite
And then it
crystals grew.
grew into the shape of it. Yeah, that's weird. And then this little notch, little niches. This is such a strange chunk of rock. Look at this, guys. I mean, everywhere you look, you've just got right angle cuts, steps,
Right angles, curves.
curves. Yeah, weird curves. Look at this bit here. Curving rock. Jagged right angles in this little chamber here. Have you done a 3D scan of this?
No, but we could from the
That would be-
drone-
that would be
from
cool,
the
right?
drone photos,
Yeah, like photogrammetry of this would be really cool.
In this new episode of Ancient Technologies, I'm going to be showing you the only high-quality videos that exist of going inside two incredibly ancient temples that are hidden within the bedrock outcrops high up in the mountains of Cusco in Peru. I also take you through several of the most anomalous sites in ancient Cusco, precision cutting techniques into solid bedrock that contradict the Bronze Age toolkit that we assign to their creation. Evidence of novel methods of softening and manipulating stone in ways that we can't explain, the signatures of mechanical drilling into bedrock, all the signs of a bygone era lost to history and now spoken of only in the preserved legends and oral traditions of the indigenous people. Long before the Bronze Age Inca settled these lands and repurposed the megalithic structures for their own civilizations, these buildings and sacred spaces were here. This is ancient Peru like you have never seen it before. Stunning 4K quality cinematography of the unexplainable architecture and high technology evidence that we see across the Peruvian landscape.